Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can make text larger or smaller in any application on your iPhone. Please put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic. So, first of all, you will need to go to your phone settings. Next, you will find the Control Center here. Open up the Control Center. And here you'll need to make sure that a shortcut like text size, you have it added to the first part of the shortcuts. What does that do for you? If you swipe your screen on the right side, you'll see that there are shortcuts that have been added here. I have a text size shortcut here. And you just need to make sure in the settings that you have it added. If you don't have it added, I'll show you now how to add it. So, if you're looking, you don't have it here, so 100% this text size shortcode, it's in the bottom list of shortcodes with this plus. So that means you can still add these shortcuts to your control center. So, once you find a text size shortcut, you just click on the green plus, and it's instantly added to your control center. Once you've made sure that you've added this shortcut, you can exit the settings. Next, for example, let's go into the post. Here I'll show you how you can change the text size. You go to the Control Center. Then you click on the text size label. Then you select at the bottom what you want the text to be resized for. Just for the specific app you have open at the moment, or for absolutely all apps. I'm going to go for all of them. And here you will have this slider that you can use to decrease or increase the text. It's always about 90 to 100% of the text size. Let's say I raise it to 120. And as you can see, the text has increased significantly. And if I want to reduce the text, I also need to go to the Control Center. Next, the text size label has been increased to the very minimum. And now the text has become very small. The same thing can be done with absolutely any application. For example, if I open up Facebook. Here you can also see that the text is quite small everywhere. If I want to enlarge it, I go to the Control Center. And in this way, I can enlarge the text in any application. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can make text larger or smaller in absolutely any app on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments and leave your likes. See you soon.